Hello friends, welcome to RinkusRasoi. Today I am going to show you Gujarati style dry potato sabji. This is also known as suki bhaji in Gujarati. It is very tasty and yummy recipe. So let's start making our potato sabji. For the potato sabji, I am taking 5 medium size of potato. I just wash it properly and cut it into the half. Now I am going to put this into the pressure cooker. So here I am taking this into the pressure cooker. And I am going to pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. So here my potato is nicely boiled. Now I am going to remove the skin and I am going to cut into the pieces. So first I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil. In this oil I am adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds. So while spluttering I am adding 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cashew, 1 tablespoon of raisin, 1 tablespoon of ginger and 10 to 15 curry leaves. And just mix everything. Now I am adding 6 to 7 black pepper and 2 cloves. Now I am going to add my potatoes in it. Now it's time to add our spices. For that I am going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am adding some salt to taste. And then I am adding 2 teaspoon of sugar. And now mix everything together with very gentle hands. Make sure to mix thoroughly everything. And cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And now I'm going to switch off the flame, and now I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Make sure to add lemon juice after you switch off the flame, otherwise the lemon will give you a little bit bitter taste. So it's always advisable to add lemon juice at the last. And now again just mix everything one more time. And it's ready to serve. Look at this, it looks so yummy. And now I'm going to garnish with some cilantro. So our potato sabji is ready. I'm sure you like this recipe. I'll see you with the next episode of RinkusRasoi. Till then, happy cooking!